The future of design is being reshaped by the seamless integration of IoT and embedded systems into traditional engineering projects. Imagine a world where electrical and mechanical products are no longer isolated, static objects, but dynamic, interconnected devices that communicate, learn, and adapt. Embedding sensors and connected hardware into these products unlocks a new level of intelligence and responsiveness. With remote monitoring, engineers and users can track performance, usage, and environmental conditions from anywhere in the world. For example, a factory equipped with smart sensors can detect anomalies in machinery before they lead to costly breakdowns, and maintenance teams can intervene proactively. Home appliances can report energy consumption, alert users about inefficiencies, and even suggest optimal operation schedules. Automation becomes effortless. Embedded systems enable products to respond autonomously to changing conditions. In agriculture, soil sensors can trigger irrigation systems only when necessary, conserving water and maximizing crop yields. Smart thermostats can adjust temperatures based on occupancy and weather patterns, improving comfort while reducing energy costs. These systems free human operators to focus on creative problem solving, rather than repetitive tasks. But perhaps the greatest value lies in data-driven insights. Connected products generate vast amounts of real-time data, which designers and engineers can analyze to uncover patterns and optimize future designs. Feedback from embedded sensors highlights how products are used, where they fail, and what features matter most to users. This continuous loop of data and improvement accelerates innovation, driving better, safer, and more efficient solutions. By integrating IoT and embedded hardware, engineering projects transcend traditional boundaries. Products become platforms for intelligence and adaptability, tailored to the needs of their environments and users. This transformation is not just a technological leap, it's a fundamental shift in how we design, interact with, and benefit from the world around us.